For many centuries has been worked with metallic effects on leather. Books were often decorated with gold, but also leather wallpaper and other objects were decorated with gold motifs or even completely gilded. In the 60s, metallic effects were modern on vehicle upholstery in America. Nowadays, there are metallic effects on leather in all imaginable variations. Metallic effects are bounded sheets or is a sprayed-on metallic effect. Sometimes metallic effects also appear in European vehicles. Porsche is most commonly equipped with metallic leathers. Also, this leather gets worn with the time. Color repairs on metallic leathers is a job for talented repair specialists who have an eye for difficult color mixtures. First, the base color must be mixed. From a variety of primary colors, the color is adjusted until the base color is perfect. Then the metallic effect must be mixed. Also here the color must be adjusted until the right color is mixed. In between, the surface must be finely polished until the work is completed.
Sure.